Hi.
Are you waiting until I tell you not to do this, or are you done?
Oh, we were just testing out the table.
How did you like it?
We were just seeing how it bounced for the balls.
Oh, that's good.
But see if it worked out.
So you liked it?
Yeah.
Let's get your credit card. Let's go.
Set them up. You gotta talk louder too.
So what are we doing today, Zach?
Today we're going to Ikea to run the pong table, boys. Woo! Let's go.
86 degrees out, mama kicking me.
Where the cups at, Tony? And balls.
Meet up in the tree house on it. Grandma round the way, be precious. I ain't got what she said. Boy, pull your pants up, but don't say nothing to my man's bruh. She say that's not my baby, let him do what that man want. Now I'm riding around my side of town. Swisher tugged, I'm hiding now. Say what's up to them crackheads that's posted up in my homie's house. It's Sada or Chada, homo partners, we squad up. Bumping Keith by the beach. Introduced to my llama. Oh, block, we boosting the product. We flip it, skipping the drama. I went to church at my bus stop, varsity track when the gun pop. I learned the best under pressure, underrated and precious. My homies say that I'm chosen, so I just relay the message that we ain't taking your shit, cause we been hurt for a grip. And I can't be the one to get stuck in the city. Got love, but I'm destined for more. Come on with me.
Alright, then the next plan. So before we go in, we're gonna shoot a dope cinematic, okay? So what I wanna do is, we're all gonna come from like the side, like Ben will be in the front entrance, okay? We're all gonna come from the side, and we're all gonna walk in at the same time. Like around the corner, looking badass with some dramatic music playing. Maybe flip out the shades, put them on, adjust the hat, we'll all look dope, okay? We look badass as fuck.
Eating roasted corn. I feel like Regina George. Tell them they can't sit with us. This what I've been fiending for. This what I've been dreaming about. What I told my team about. They look at me crazy cause my money in a meek amount. My hat back like I'm Billy Hoyle. Fade away like I'm Sidney Dean. Finessing her baby, your plans are spoiled. Hustle the game, they can't fuck with me. That Rosie Perez. Money, them titties be blessed. Money, that Khaled. I'm so hood, I'm talking, yeah, we the best. Money, that fuck around just to fuck around. Imagine City with 100 pounds of ammo.
The top cover. There we go. Thank you. That's beautiful. Let's beat it. There you go. Oh, baby. That's two. Hold back. Island. Three and balls back. It'll be a fast game. Oh, there we go. Is this table regulation size, you think? You know?
Is this regulation size, you think?
With the leaf folded in, maybe.
Maybe. You want to get a celeb shot?
I was just ready to slap it back.
You want to get a celeb shot? Give me a celeb.
Who's got the shot?
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna get
That's
fired
you.
on this one, won't I?
No. Only if you miss
With
it.
the butterfly leaf, huh?
Aw.
Yeah. Well, see.
It's got a good bounce to it.
Yeah, I really like this table.
You got some balls that are brought in from the mountain.
You know what they say, Andrew? All Swedish. No finish. Oh, just testing out the table. Just getting a game in. No. Yeah. You want to get a celeb shot in? Yeah, we just started playing on the table down here. We saw the game going. And we had a couple questions just on like the rules. House rules of the game.
Okay.
Travel. Thing. We were just having a debate about that. Are you able to travel in this house?
Travel.
If the ball bounces from one cup and hits another.
It's like that, and then it lands in here.
Is that all 3 cups full, or do you just pull 2?
Well, I don't know.
We were wondering what the rules are since it's your guys' place.
I don't have no idea.
You gotta make the call on it for us.
Yeah, we need you to rep this game.
Yeah.
What's the options?
The options? Travel or no travel.
Okay. Travel.
Woo! What's all going on, guys? We're live here at Ikea again for round 2 of Beer Pong. Psych! We're at Furniture Row. That we got centerpiece to even play with. Fancy. The Furniture Row Beer Pong Championships. Hey. That's one. That one. Still warming up.
Guys, what are we doing over here?
Hi.
We waiting until I tell you not to do this, or are you done?
Oh, we were just testing out the table.
How'd you like it?
We were just seeing how it bounced for the balls.
Oh, that's good.
Let's see if it worked
So
out.
you liked it?
Yeah.
Let's get your credit card. Let's go. Make sure the table's clean when you're done here.
Yep, we'll do. We got
You got rag?
yeah, we got to rag that. We're real careful.
I was being polite. I was like, maybe we just want to speak to it. After a while, like, come on. Man.
Yep.
Cold world. Southside, can't get enough, can't get enough. East side, west side, worldwide. Ride out. Now I ain't got no kids yet, but this right here's for practice. I hate to get the seats in the bins wet, but that's how good your ass is. Make a